Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix skin weights in Autodesk Maya, step by step. We'll go over how to clean up the weights for each body part so your character deforms properly when animated. I have a model with a quick rig applied, but it's not perfect, so we'll fix it. First, select all the parts of your model, like the head, torso, arms, legs, and so on. Go to the outliner and rename each part with clear, meaningful names. This helps you easily identify each piece when adjusting weights later. Next, with your skin mesh selected, go to the top menu. Skin Paint Skin Weights tool. This opens up the Paint Skin Weights editor, where you can visualize and edit the weight influences of your joints on the geometry. Now, let's start with the head. Select your head geometry, then look at the Influences window in the Paint Skin Weights tool. Here's the trick: select all the influences that don't belong to the head, for example, the spine, arms, or legs. With those selected, set the value to 0, and click Flood. This removes all unwanted influence from those joints. Then, select the head joint, set the value to 1, and click Flood again. Now the head mesh is fully influenced by the head joint only, nice and clean. Do the same process for each remaining body part. Select the geometry part. In the influences list, flood unrelated joints to 0, and the correct joint to 1. This ensures each part only responds to the right bone. When you're done, go ahead and rotate or move your joints to test the deformation. Each part should move cleanly without stretching or pulling other areas of the mesh. You've successfully cleaned up your skin weights in Maya. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Maya tutorials.